to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Horse with No Name. All right, so you got an E minor, and then you take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd fret, and you put your ring finger on the G string on the 2nd fret. Very cool chord. And you just mess around with that. All right, that's half the song. Now, you got this chord. So you got your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. So the rest are open, and you got your pinky on the 2nd fret of the E string. Beautiful chord. And then you got an A sustain, just like that E minor, but you just scoot it down. And so that's for the chorus. Keep in mind, everything is just on the 2nd fret, which is pretty convenient, pretty cool. During the verse, you can throw your pinky on here too if you like.